Good morning. I've just realised I've got nothing on my lips, but that's okay because it's in the car, so I can't put anything. I've also got kettle boiling right underneath you. But it's just a really quick start to today's video because we are just heading out the door. We're going to Cambridge today. We thought it'd be a really nice treat just to go into Cambridge, maybe get some lunch, have a mooch around the shops. Obviously Cambridge is a beautiful part of the country all year round and it's nice to see it in different seasons, but I don't think I've actually ever been in the summer. So I'm really looking forward to it. So we're ready. I think Oren is very tired because he was up very early this morning and then him and Lawrence went for a hike like first thing in the morning. So he's extremely tired. So he's going to sleep in the car. The journey will be about an hour. And we're going to drive to the park and ride. Because Cambridge is a sort of low emission zone or something, but you go to a massive car park essentially, park your car, it's very cheap, and then you jump on a bus for 5 minutes into the centre of Cambridge. It's a really easy thing to do, and actually it saves the stress of trying to like drive through a really like sort of busy, crowded old market town. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm just about to wash my flasks out, make us a cup of tea for the journey, and then Oren have a nice nap in the car, and then we'll see you in Cambridge. Sushimania. If you've never been to Sushimania, when you come in, you order their a la carte menu. They give you a ticket where you can scan the barcode, and then everything on the a la carte menu, they do things like these, what Lawrence is eating, it's half price. So we just had a lovely lunch, but yeah, we're going to go for a walk now and get some ice cream. And that is us home. I'm exhausted. I was actually just saying to Lawrence how when you're pregnant things are a bit looser and your muscles relax a little bit more and your hips widen, and my hips are starting to hurt. So what I need to do actually is make sure I'm being just a bit more active, just keeping active. Pregnancy and giving birth is such a trauma to the body that the more you can support it with like muscle growth and keeping your agility going, the better. But it's not been very possible for quite a few weeks because I've been so unwell, but there's no excuse now. I've got to do it. I do find having a toddler and being pregnant is a workout in itself because there's no sitting down when you've got a 3-year-old. Cambridge was absolutely gorgeous. It was just so lovely. Such a beautiful time of year is to go during the summer. I've just got to be careful because I've got a 3-year-old with no clothes on, but you can't see anything yet, but I just got to listen out. Isn't it just the dream to be 3? And when it's too hot and you've had a hot day and you've got your grubby clothes on from the day out, you can just take them off and run around naked. How lovely. But I need to take this off actually. So yeah, we've had just a gorgeous day. It's been really, really nice. Just such a nice day. A nice lunch at Sushimania. It's just really nice to walk around the streets of Cambridge. There's lots going on. I feel like it's a really friendly environment. And there's lots of nice people. So we had a lovely time. Suitably exhausted, I must say. Like, we're so tired. It's like, you know, when you go into London for the day, we live in the countryside, so for us, like, when we're going to London, it's very exhausting. But yeah, we're really exhausted. So what I'm doing now is just making Oren an omelette. We're still pretty full from lunch, so we're okay. But Oren's gonna have an omelette with just some carrots on the side. Nice and easy, wholesome type of dinner. And then I'm tempted for a bowl of cereal, I won't lie. Really fancy some honey hoops. But what I might do is leave you with footage I filmed a couple of days ago, where I popped to Aldi. I did a little Aldi haul for you, and the lunch I had was this pasta, new in pasta from Aldi, and it was absolutely delicious. So I might leave you with that footage because I haven't got anything else with that footage to put that footage in, if that makes sense. And then I might catch up with you after, I'm not sure, but enjoy that whilst I get on making our, well, Oren's dinner and my bowl of cereal. I've just popped to Aldi, so I thought I would show you the bits that I purchased. Just sort of like a mini top-up shop. We've already got sort of quite a lot of dinner ideas and the ingredients for those dinners in the fridge, haven't we? Aldi is still selling those Hot Wheel cars by the till. There's about 7,000 Hot Wheel cars in my house. But they're actually really good value for money, and he loves picking one. But quite often I have to like hide the fact that I'm going to Aldi, just so I can go without him and not buy another car. Anyway, I'll show you the bits I got. I just got a top-up shop. Because we've got, as I said, we've got lots of things in the house already to make meals from. At the start of my pregnancy, I was definitely very much buying food out all the time, but I found that now I can go into supermarkets and buy a few more bits. Life has become a bit easier and I can budget a bit more and meal plan a bit more, so that's really good. So this week I'm making a spag bowl, probably not tonight because it's warmer than I thought it would be today, but really fancy like a really rich spag bowl. Oh, I forgot to get the red wine today. That's what I was meant to get. But yeah, I'm going to have a spag bowl, veggie burgers and garlic lemon mushroom pasta, which is just something I just thrive off, especially in the warmer weeks that we're having at the moment. But tonight I thought, because Oren asked, he really wants pizza, so I got some pizza. So I got one of their sourdough wood-fired pepperoni pizza. I like to get these ones just because they're better quality, there's better ingredients in them, and they're sourdough based, so like the bread is really delicious. And then Aldi do, and also they are 10 out of 10. And I got spicy Italian salami and andouille pizza, so it's very, very similar, but it's just got like hot chilies on it. I've got this, which I think I'm going to have for lunch now. I was going to have this tonight for dinner. Really fancy this right now. Tomato and burrata ravioli. Just really fancy that. I was going to save it for dinner tonight because I'm just not that into pizza. I think because I had pizza during my first early weeks of pregnancy, and it's really just like, I'm just not that into it anymore. So I got those pizzas sort of mainly for Lawrence and Oren, but I'm so hungry I'm going to have this now because all I can think about is this. It's tomato and burrata creamy cheese pasta, and then I bought a mascarpone sauce to go with it. It says it serves two, but there's, come on, that serves one. But yeah, so I've got that, and then usually I would, where is it? Usually I would make an easy mascarpone sauce just because it's so easy. But I wanted to save the mascarpone that we have for another dish. So I had a look at their tomato and mascarpone sauce that they do. And I thought, I'll read the ingredients because I'm sure I won't want to buy it because there's probably lots of like weird stuff in it. And actually the ingredients are great. So if you ever want to get a mascarpone sauce, just the basic inspired cuisine range from Aldi is absolutely great because it is literally water, mascarpone cheese, milk, tomato paste, onion, single cream, carrots, corn flour, a bit of sugar, rigatto cheese, and black pepper, garlic puree. That's it. Like, I thought that was really good for a pasta sauce. Usually if you look at the ingredients of pasta sauces, you might get lots of like rubbish in there. But as far as this one goes, I think it's really good ingredients. So if you want like a really budget, easy way of having a delicious tomato mascarpone sauce, and you don't feel confident enough to make it yourself, or you're in a rush one day, just buy this and you can heat it up in the microwave, pour it over your pasta. 10 out of 10. 2 butters, 2 bags of crisps, steak and ale flavour, and salted. I'm going on a picnic tomorrow, so some of this stuff is for that, although I just don't think I can resist opening these ones right now. They look very good. So I might open those now. Some tomato puree and some frozen fruit for our fruit smoothies. We have fruit smoothies almost daily, but I'm going to pop these in the freezer now. Some of these smoothie cartons, Oren loves these, and I'm going to bring them on our picnic tomorrow. And some bananas. We have bananas all the time. I got some salmon fillets for later in the week. Just salmon fillet, salad, jacket potato, something easy like that. I've got some pink lady apples. I've got some peppers, so I'm going to cut some up just for tomorrow, just eating raw pepper, it's lovely. Some more parmesan for the spag bowl that I'm making. I'm really struggling with the smell of this. So they're Almat washing powder. Now I'm subscribed to Small. I also am an ambassador for them, so actually I will leave my link below if you want to get a really big continued discount. So if you subscribe to any Small products like their washing detergent, dishwasher tablets, ethical cleaning products, bamboo toothbrushes, just anything, you can get a really big discount using my code below. But we've run out of washing tabs, and the schedule I have, we're not going to get it for another like 6 working days. So I really need some washing powder. This smells nice, but like it's absolutely overwhelming for me right now, so I need to pop it at the back of a cupboard somewhere. Oh gosh. Cotton candy grapes are back, and luckily for me, grapes have been like one of my absolute cravings.
Is that olive?
Grapes. They do look like olives, don't they? Oh, I feel Mummy forgot to buy olives, didn't she? I know they're seasonal, so they're not all year round, but they're back. I had to buy 2 packs because I know I'm going to want to bring some out tomorrow on a picnic. But as soon as I see them, like I want to wash them, I'll probably be able to eat the whole punnet right now. I just love grapes, and these ones are incredible. You have to try them. They taste, it's actually crazy how much like sweets they taste. Got some strawberry kefir drink just because Oren loves anything milky, yogurt, milk, ice cream, anything. So sometimes just getting him kefir is a bit better because it's got that healthy bacteria for your gut. So pop that in the fridge, you can have a little cup in the mornings. Now the watermelons, we're just loving watermelon at the moment. It's Oren's favourite fruit, so whilst it's in the stores, I'm going to buy it. Of our chia seeds, I have chia seeds every day, whether it be in a smoothie or just water. Some more just plain nuts. So we've got mixed nuts here, which is just a mix of like hazelnut, cashews, almonds, it looks like, Brazil maybe, and Brazil nuts here. We love snacking on nuts, and some extra virgin olive oil. I think that's about it. So I'm going to pop all this away and make this for lunch. I can't wait for this. I'm going to add obviously the mascarpone sauce, and then I'm going to just add a bit of mozzarella in there, lots of black pepper, and yeah, can't wait. So I've opened these ones, the steak now, 10 out of 10. Unreal. So good. The pasta was delicious. I highly recommend. Oren really enjoyed it too, so we just shared that for lunch. It's definitely not a very big portion at all, but yeah, this is the remnants of one of the tubs of grapes. Obviously I have washed this, by the way, but I've pretty much finished the punnet, so as well as the pasta, so